Introducing the Milwaukee Tool Quik-Lok Attachment System, a versatile outdoor power equipment system featuring multiple attachments, powered by a single M18 fuel power head. With the Quik-Lok Attachment System, you have the capability to switch between multiple attachments and complete a wide range of applications. Available attachments include a line trimmer, edger, hedge trimmer, chainsaw attachment, and a 91cm extension attachment. Enter the Quik-Lok Attachment System by purchasing the M18 Fuel Outdoor Power Head Line Trimmer Kit or the Outdoor Power Head itself. Once installed in the system, you can add on the attachments you need when you need them. The Quik-Lok Coupler offers tool-free attachment changes, allowing you to switch from one task to the next. This attachment system eliminates the need to purchase a dedicated tool for each outdoor task.
The attachments that go on the power head makes it a real versatile product. It's a lot quicker, it's a lot more efficient, and reduces cost on equipment overall.
When you're on a job site and you have one power head and multiple attachments to go in it, the efficiency level just goes through the roof. The Quik-Lok system is definitely heavy duty and commercial grade.
The Quik-Lok Attachment System is powered by M18 Fuel and is part of the M18 system of over 145 tools.